job opening that we have, which is as a cybersecurity intern. Company is Encrypt Labs, right? Encrypted Labs, Encrypt Edge Labs, right? And they're looking for red teaming intern, blue teaming intern, networking intern, junior pen testers, SOC analyst. This is the website URL from where you can apply, and this is the last date, which is 5 March 2025 is the last date. 2025 where you can apply will be the closing date, right? So just do accordingly, then we can apply, right? The next opening is in Singapore, junior associate analyst. It's 0 to 1 years of experience for the people. Sandhya@aryan-solutions.com, the mail ID where you can apply. And this is Singapore based job, and this is for the associate analyst. It's a junior job, so if you have any basic understanding, you can drop, right? Accordingly, you can do. Next is information security analyst, Azure Sentinel. So they are the job requirements. Okay, and actually you need to drop your resume on hr.tnsconsulting@gmail.com, and this is the contact detail on which you can drop. Again, this is for SOC. Guys, right now SOC is booming. Yes, if you want to learn pen testing, just visit this URL, viehgroup.com/tc. You'll feel something interesting. Anyways, so this is another opening that we have, which is an Amber solution. So guys, MS Solution is also looking for a lot of positions, right? So you can apply for the Rapid 7 specialist, which is in India. This is a remote job. Again, M6 365 consultant, India, Bangalore based job, Abu Dhabi, Philippines. So this is what we can apply for. Next is cybersecurity consultant. Again, same company, couple of different roles. So just check accordingly. This is for the network analyst, cloud analyst, pen testers. These are forensics people. So it's more into VAPT, right? VAPT and incident responding. If you are beginner, if you have good knowledge, then drop your resume on this mail ID and accordingly you will get a response. Next opening is as a network engineer L2, security network engineer L2. It's a Pune based job. Minimum 5 years of experience is required, right? And mail ID is swastik.chata@global.ntt where you can apply, right? Checkpoint, FortiGate, Sonic Wall, and firewall knowledge is important. It's a Pune based job. So guys, all right, that's all for today. If you have any questions, please drop accordingly. We can do, right?